Mitraaya namaha. Thank you for being with Energy Circles. Welcome to Energy Circles VSPTenneti channel. Thank you for the huge response. Today I would like to talk about the 5 remedies to accelerate life. Yes, drop off pseudo-perfectionism. Laziness is dangerous than any deadly virus. Clear the zone. Inner Vision Talk Series number 9. 5 remedies to accelerate life. Drop off pseudo-perfectionism. Laziness is a disease, but people who quickly realize and identify it might easily win over it by exercising regularly, by indulging into activities which they love and enjoy. But the second category patients do not identify the disease and carry it with pride. It is not at all difficult to identify them. Take all care that you don't fall into their auric fields. Laziness is like a virus, and it is capable of infecting the atmosphere and people around. They get habituated to hide their worthless, lazy image. They wear masks and live a life of disguise, but they fail to understand that in the process, their original personality is dead and the disguised face becomes the reality. They are caught. They are lost. They are just existing as mere scumbags. How great it would be if they realize the fact that laziness is burden to Mother Earth. Talk to them. They say they are planning some unique nonsense which never ever manifests. They hide under the self-created rusted mask of pseudo-perfectionism. They have dramatic reasonings and excuses to convince you that they belong to the intellectual class. Thus, they keep on postponing. Procrastination is their second nature. They can make you believe that they are busy though doing nothing. They live in a dream world of quixotic excellence and they produce nothing. They become unasked advisors and loud critics. They keep shouting that the whole world is going wrong. They know nothing but the ridiculous game of raising an argument, and they are addicted to torture, insult, and mocking at others. They become the dog in the manger which does not eat grass and does not allow the cows to graze it. They gradually grow into gigantic hurdles to their kith and kin. They just talk about perfectionism and standards. They enjoy being a cause of fear and doubt. They live with a family which accepts frustration and spectatorship as lifestyle. They are a type of sadists. They are the pseudo-perfectionists. They transform into pseudo-intellectuals. They can influence the weak minds which lack self-assessment and judgment, thus converting them into pessimistic, criticizing, mocking siddhus who conclude that life is finding faults and the whole world is running at a wrong pace. Lazy people transform into embodiments of sheer negative energy. They cannot achieve success in anything because they search for the invisible perfectionism. Unfortunately, perfectionism is a relative term. Perfectionism itself is incomplete, and it is an unending process where practice alone will bring the perfectionism to an acceptable point. They give birth to 100 doubts and 1,000 queries at any given moment. Clear the zone. Drop off pseudo-perfectionism. Trust me, the 5 remedies to accelerate life is very important, which I tell you. Lazy people are always dissatisfied even if heaven is their abode. They differ with parents, siblings, spouse, in-laws, friends, leaders, and all successful people. They conclude the other man's victory as an accident or a manipulation. They can make tall talks to prove that they have great knowledge and influence. They keep talking about their flashback stories which have faded away decades ago. They satisfy their ego and worthlessness by throwing a strong blame on others. Beware of them. Stay away from them. Run away from them. Don't waste even a minute in the company of negative personalities. You will be reduced to the size of a Lilliput or a pygmy. Clear the zone. Drop off pseudo-perfectionism. Let me tell you the 5 easy remedies to accelerate life. Of course, there are thousands of rituals, pujas, homas, talismans, yantras, which help you gain this acceleration, but they're expensive. I'm going to reveal to you the 5 steps, 5 points, 5 remedies. You can follow all of them very easily, and trust me, you will find a rapid change, but you need to have the realization first. Let us forget and drop them away from our list, but don't let them know it. They are erased. If the lazy person realizes, he can follow these super 5 techniques to accelerate life and ward away laziness. Otherwise, if you are caught into their network, please come out immediately. The first remedy: change the city, town, or place where you are living. Invite change. Nothing is permanent except change, trust me. Second, avoid contacts with people who keep talking about problems and all negativities. Third thing, consume a little of vacha, herb, with lukewarm milk for a month. 4. Go for a brisk walk for half an hour a day and have a cold water bath. You can do skipping instead. You can choose pranayama. You can go for yoga. You may even join a gym. Fifth one, this is a beautiful one. Chant the supreme Raghurama mantra constantly. Let me chant it just 11 times for your sake, so that you get initiated into the pronunciation of this beautiful mantra. The name Vali, when it is combined or samputikaran with the Raghurama mantra, it becomes highly powerful to make you more active. Om Vali Samhara Raghuramaya Namaha. 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 This powerful mantra does not have any stipulated number for chanting. You can keep on chanting anytime, anywhere, and anybody can do it silently. While you are walking, while you are driving, while you are on a move, while you are at office, you can chant this beautiful mantra, and you will see gradually the release of laziness from your body, and you will be fortified with activeness. Digvijayi Bhava. First, you need to decide strongly. Drop off pseudo-perfectionism. Clear the zone. Thank you for listening to the Inner Vision Talk Series number 9, The 5 Remedies to Accelerate Life. Mitraaya namaha. Aditya Sakshi. Sampurna Raksha. Mitraaya namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSPTenneti channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.